Hey team, I just sent the Mastering Middle School workshop booklet to the printer, and I gotta tell you, I'm so excited. I thought it was gonna be 9 to 10 pages, and it's about 72 pages. There is a lot to cover. At the very beginning of the workshop, we're gonna talk about getting on the same page, and we're gonna do some exercises to do that that I find are really insightful. Then we're gonna do all kinds of things about getting organized for school. Physical materials, digital materials, lockers, all kinds of things. The next part is talking about how to connect home and school. And so I wanted to give you a little preview of what that's going to look like. And one of the things that we talk about is the having a launch pad at your house. And a launch pad is a designated area for books, phones, computers, chargers, all things school that live in one place. And above it, you're going to put up a giant calendar that keeps track of all the things. We're going to go through all of that during the workshop, but I wanted to give you a little bit of a sense of, well, why would I ever need this? And I could tell you that getting school to connect to home and home to connect with school is a constant source of frustration and challenge for parents and especially for the tweens. So we're going to do that. We're also going to talk about how to connect with each of your teachers, because you're going from having one teacher, pretty much one room, maybe some specials, to 7 teachers, a whole building to navigate, 7 different expectations, 7 different places to put information, all kinds of things that are really important to get a hold of the first day that you're in class. Then we're going to talk about the tough stuff. Middle school beyond the backpack isn't always fun for people. And that's kind of what middle school is all about. The friendships, the breaking up of friendships, the temptations of things that happen, anxiety that might show up. And all of it is not to freak anybody out, but it's to give you some tools so you can recognize when something might be wrong that you didn't think was wrong, and B, just give you some tools so you can talk to each other and get on the same page. And I think that's really, really helpful. We'll talk about ways to get involved in the school, and finally, what next? After this 90-minute workshop, how do you keep going and what do you do next? I am so excited to share with you my nearly 3 decades of work in middle schools. You can ask me any questions that you have, and if you have a question before you register, shoot me an email and I'd love to get back to you. All right, everybody, can't wait to see you there.